If you have ever said, I would have bought Trump early if I had known, this app is for you. This is how I find meme coins early. Moonshot is your meme coin radar. It's built on Solana, so trades are lightning fast. No delays, no distractions. Blink and you will still catch the pump. You can filter by coins trending on X, new launches, even low cap gems under 100k. Every coin has a full chart, holder info and social links, so you can do your own research without leaving the app. It's like a meme coin menu with receipts. And once you find something, just tap buy, set your slippage and confirm. No need for switching apps, your wallet is built in. I just bought Giga from my coach in less than 10 seconds. This is the Robin Hood of meme coins. It's one app, one wallet. Meme coin trading made the stupid simple. And yes, it's actually fun. Moonshot is live on iOS and Android. Download it, ape responsibly, and maybe you will catch the next Trump before the rest of crypto Twitter even sees.